The Goliath Heron. Beautiful bird. Biggest heron we have here. I think it's the biggest heron. A pair, obviously going to have chicks, I would say, here. They do normally have a nest here. These are water dickups, or I think they're called thick knees now. Have a very piercing call, and they often call at full moon. He's eating sort of vegetation that's stuck to the rocks there, or possibly small insects. Using his foot to scrape whatever's there away from the rock. The grey heron. Grey heron. White helmet shrike. These birds fly around in flocks of normally uneven numbers, like 5, 7, 9. You see the yellow around the iris. This is a youngster. That's why he's quite confident, because he's not really aware of myself as a predator. The little pink feet and legs. Pretty little bird. That's interesting. It's a wildebeest. It's a funny looking animal, but in its own way is quite beautiful. This very pretty flower is indigenous to our area. It's called the Sabi star, or impala lily. It's kind of classic sunset and a baobab. Every time I see it, I just love it.